Hello and welcome to Bud and Herb's continuing education segments. My name is Joe and today we would like to introduce Biomed Botanicals to all of our members. Biomed Botanicals is a family-run lab and the father pioneered CBD treatments for generations. Biomed uses the finest quality raw ingredients, which is what we want at Bud's General Store. And plus, what impressed us is they test throughout the whole process, with the final testing done at the Green Cross on a gas spectrometer. So some of the products that we'd like to share with you today, and they'll be covered individually on the website, are starting off with the Phoenix Tears, is they have the THC Phoenix Tears, CBD Phoenix Tears, and of course a Haley's Comet 1-to-1 Phoenix Tears. Now because of the quality that they put into their Phoenix Tears, all their products can also be used to vape throughout a vape pen. We use this anodizer, which is sold on Bud's General Store. Now some of the other products that they carry, of course, is they carry the whole plant CBD, this is the 33 meg, and also whole plant THC, and this is a 50 meg capsule that we carry also. Now with suppositories growing more and more awareness, Biomed again was the pioneer in this, and we'll just go through some of the products that they have here. Now we have the 5 milligram suppositories. We're finding members are just loving these things, ladies, members, for menstrual, cramping, you name it. And they're what we've gotten back so far, they're a godsend. And they're only 5 milligrams, so it won't upset it. It'll just give you a happy day with a happy period, I guess. Then you can go up into strength. These are the 75 milligram. But they start at 20 milligram, and of course for our cancer and you know, patients with fibromyalgia and addiction, all the way up to 250 milligrams. Also what Biomed has, and this is just such a remarkable product, again we're going to talk about all of these individually, but you'll see they also have a pure plant, whole plant CBD suppository, and it has the same amount of medicine in it as their CBD Phoenix Tears at 42.9%, which really works well. So anyways, what we're going to do now is we're going to break down all the products and we'll go through them individually and we'll do our very best to explain what we have here at Biomed. Okay, let's go. So one of our top sellers at Bud's General Store are our CBD suppositories. Please go online and do your research on number one on suppositories. What you're going to find is the absorption rate through the rectum is quite a bit better than it is orally or of course inhaling any of the cannabis products. Now these CBD suppositories have the same amount of CBDs as CBD Phoenix Tears. So excellent value of course. So these suppositories have 42.9 milligrams of CBDs. Again, this is made from a whole plant, okay? Whole plant CBDs. 2 milligrams of THC, and of course 0.02 milligrams of CBNs. Now they come in packages of 10 and they're individually wrapped, of course, for security and cleanliness. Now when you open up the package, this is what you have. Now this is inserted through the rectum or in the vagina. It can be inserted each way, and we'll go over a little bit later how to insert these in the rectum or the vagina. So what I would like to do now is share with you how to insert the suppository into both the rectum and the vagina, the best I can. So what we find is to get some scissors, trim along the outside of the suppository in the protective package, peel it back, and you're going to have the suppository itself. Now always remember to keep them in the fridge. Cold suppository inserts very simple. A warm suppository is just a mess. So for the rectum, it's very simple. Take the suppository, put it into the rectum, and push it in up to the second knuckle, and that should be sufficient for the suppository to go. Because what you want is you want the absorption, again, from the suppository going into your bloodstream, bypassing the liver, and going to do what it has to do. Now, for the vagina, what the ladies and our members tell us, it's very, very simple, and a couple of them said that to me. Again, make sure you cut back, pull the protective coating, and now what they've told me, Joe, it's very simple. Insert it and aim for the cervix. So there you go. Aim for the cervix on the vagina and up to the second knuckle on the rectum. It'll get in, it'll absorb through the bloodstream, bypassing the liver again, and a lot more bioabsorption. Now, if you have any questions, I can just see them now, contact us at Bud's General Store, and we will do our absolutely very best to answer your questions. Anyway, thank you very much, and have a great day.